What's up guys, welcome back to Horsepower and Pizza. This week's video is a little bit different. I'm waiting on parts for the E36, so I figured I would show you guys one of my new toys that I picked up. This is the DJI Ronin-SC. It is a handheld camera gimbal. It's like a tripod thing that you can set it up and use it stationary. I don't know much about stuff like this. I have a phone gimbal that I've used a little bit here and there. I've always really admired filmmakers and like the more cinematic stuff, and that's not really what I do here on this channel with working on cars and doing stuff in the garage. I thought it was time to make the jump, experiment with it a little bit. I really enjoy editing and I think it's gonna be a fun challenge. So yesterday, a couple friends and I got out to test it on the highway, and this is not my first DJI product. I had a Phantom 3 4K drone. Didn't really have too many issues with that, but it did end up falling out of the sky at one point. I still have it. I could probably get it to work. I should probably play with it, but I ended up replacing that with the Spark, the smaller drone. So I still have that. I used that in the video that we filmed yesterday too. I can't really give a comprehensive review on the gimbal yet. I only used it once. Seems simple enough. Doesn't like to be hung out the window of the car like on the highway. The servo motors that control the stabilization on the different axes don't like the wind from the car. It's not that it doesn't like the wind, it's that the wind is more powerful than the servo motors. Once I pulled the gimbal back inside the car and just kind of peeked the camera out the window a little bit and controlled it, it worked fairly okay. I didn't really do too much with it as far as like stationary shots. I just kind of got it out and played with it for like an hour yesterday. Really excited to use it more and get used to it and to be able to provide some more cinematic content for you guys. I really enjoy watching cinematic stuff. I'd like to get more into it, really enjoy editing. Before we get into looking at that footage, I do want to remind you the Horsepower and Pizza Carhartt Snapback pre-order ends tomorrow on Friday, June 12th. They're a Carhartt Snapback with the new Horsepower and Pizza tachometer logo on them. If you order one, thank you so much for the support. They will ship out in probably the next 4 to 6 weeks, as this is a pre-order. As I had previously mentioned in last week's video, the first run of them sold out in an hour. So I'm doing a pre-order for anybody who may have missed it. Thank you guys so much for the support. And here is the quick and dirty edit from what I got yesterday.
What is anxiety?
I never heard of anxiety.
What is depression?
I don't know what depression is. Is that a game?
Life's been doing the most, but I'm doing pretty good as far as geniuses go. I'ma stay in Indiana, I don't live on the coast. I mean, the weather's nice, I just keep the family close. The music industry's worst nightmare, they don't like us, I break rules, your highness. I don't care in the slightest, don't care if they don't invite us. Keep the clout, that's cool. I'm trying to sell enough merch to buy my parents a pool. The revolution won't be on your television, they lied. The revolution will be broadcast on Instagram Live. The internet's teaching kids to swallow pills, not pride. But who am I? Because on Fridays I still get high. They say life's about making mistakes. If that's the case, fuck it, I'm gonna make as much as it takes. I got them lined up, they on the edge of their seats. They want the truth, and truth is that they could get it from me. What my life feel like one long summer night. It gon' be the type of love that you couldn't fight. Got a bad moon in the wintertime, but I'm a whole fucking problem when the sun is shining.